Hello viewers, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will show you my vinca plants and how I have planted them. These all three are last year plants. This time I was not able to get some vinca seeds due to this lockdown, and so that's why I decided to buy some seedlings which I will buy after the lockdown is over. Till then, I have these three vinca, and this one is a vinca tattoo, and this one is vinca cranberry. This is also a variety of vinca tattoo, but with different shade. And you can see the flowers. There are a lot of birds on the vincas. The main thing that I always try to make sure is their fertilizer and their pruning. I'll show you one example that there is a plant which I have never done the pruning, and this is the plant which I do the pruning regularly. So the bushiness of this plant you can see, and the bushiness of this plant, so it is the main reason that this plant is little bit looking like more healthier than this, but all have same age, and I have grown all of these three plants in the June month, last June, and now they are blooming, and last year also they bloomed, and their dormancy period starts from November to January, and in February they sprout their stems again. So you can also grow it through the seeds right now, because this is the right temperature. If you do have seeds which are of last year, or either you have purchased recently, so you can grow them. And for growing the seeds of this vinca plant, just take a good potting mixture with 30% garden soil and 40% coco peat, and rest of the content you can take of vermicompost or either perlite to increase the porosity of the soil. And you just have to cover the seeds with a black paper, like a black polythene you can take, so that it can have a darkness, because the vinca's main requirement to get sprouted from the seed is darkness. More the darkness, more will be their germination, and so this is very important thing to do with the vincas if you want to grow them from the seeds as early as possible. And if I talk about their soil preparation, if you want to plant a plant which you bought from the nursery, so you can take 40% normal garden soil, and 30% any of the compost or cow dung manure. Rest of the content you can take of sand to increase the porosity. Make sure the minimum pot requirement for the vinca is 6 inch. You can also take the 8 inch, which is ideal for them. I'm going to plant these all three plants in the 8 inch pot very soon, but now they are in 6 and 7 inches pot, and its growth is really great, this plant. And this is also vinca cranberry. This is a little cheaper variety than these two, and it costed me, I think, near about 100 rupees per 20 seeds, and it was, I think, near about 40 to 50 rupees per 20 seeds. So this is the main difference between them, and this variety is little rare, like a tattoo variety. This is common variety that you can actually find in all the nurseries, so this is the main point in that. If I talk about its fertilizer, which you can apply it after a 15 days of interval in the summer, that is NPK 20-20-20. And if you don't want to use chemical on your fertilizer, so you can take a vermicompost tea option in your fertilizer. That is also suitable for the vinca plants. They generally need NPK in a balanced quantity, so I think chemical fertilizer which is used for the equal proportion 90-90-19 or either 20-20-20, it is best for them to spray on them, and the fertilizer is 100% soluble, so you can take 2 gram of NPK in 1 liter water and can spray on its leaves. And the things which you should not do with vinca is, do not spray much of the water on their foliage, because they are very prone to fungus. So if you are spraying the water every day on their foliage, they may catch fungus and your plant will die. And if you want to protect your plant from the fungal disease, you can spray any of the fungicide, which should be of 2 gram quantity in 1 liter water, and you can spray on its foliage. You can also give them in the soil, so that the fungus can be destroyed from this plant. So this is very important, because fungus is one of the main problem and one of the infection that this plant attracts. So if you want to keep your plant healthy and protected from the fungus, you can apply fungicide after 15 days or after a month. And make sure whenever there is a rain in your climate, after that you should spray the fungicide, because that time there are high chances that your plant will catch fungus. So you can spray any of the normal fungicide. To grow them, the bright spot should be chosen, like where they can receive minimum 7 hours sunlight, because that's very important if you want to get a lot of birds on it and flowers, like you can see. And this is the main requirement of them if you want to get good healthy flowering. So you should keep in that spot where they can receive minimum 7 hours sunlight. And in summers, the main problem that sometimes we do not water properly to the plants, so make sure that you are watering the plants properly, but not are doing over watering, because through over watering they can die. So this is very important to understand, that you should water them properly regularly but with a less quantity. So this was my video on the Vinca and a little bit information that I have shared among all the viewers, and this was the experience of mine. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share this video. And if you want video on any different plant, so you can tell me in the comment section. I will try to make it as soon as possible. Thank you.